Home Minister Amit Shah, in a letter written to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, pointed out that the centre was not getting the desired support from West Bengal on the return of migrant workers. In fact, the Home Minister alleged the state was stopping Shramik special trains and said this was injustice to Bengali migrants stranded across the country. At the daily briefing on Friday, Health Ministry Joint Secretary Love Agarwal said it is important that we learn to live with the virus and practice behavioral changes. This as India reopened more industries in an attempt to ease the lockdown, which cannot be a solution in the long run. The number of COVID-19 positive cases in India has risen to 56,342 and deaths are at 1,886. Initial investigation by the Delhi Police Crime Branch has found that the audio clip mentioned in the FIR against Tablighi chief Maulana Saad appears to be doctored. The audio clip message purportedly asked Tablighi Jamaat members not to follow social distancing norms. Prima facie, it appears the clip may have been stitched together. The clip has been sent to a forensic laboratory for probe. Donors contributing to the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, set up on February 5 this year to build a Ram temple in Ayodhya, will be granted tax exemption under Section 80G of the Income Tax Act from financial year 2020 to 2021. Section 80G of the Income Tax Act allows donations made to specified relief funds and charitable institutions as a deduction from gross total income before arriving at taxable income. In an interview to NDTV, World Health Organization's special COVID-19 envoy Dr. David Nabarro said that India has reported a relatively small number of coronavirus cases because it acted quickly. He said around July end there will be a flat peak after which things will stabilize. He also added that once the lockdown lifts there will be more cases, but people should not be scared. Reports claim that the Trump administration is working to temporarily ban some of the non-immigrant visas amidst the high level of unemployment due to the coronavirus lockdown. There may be a hold on issuance of some work-based visas like H-1B, popular among highly skilled Indian IT professionals, as well as students' visas and work authorization that accompanies them.